So can you open the Google Maps on your Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, make sure you stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so there is technically the official Google Maps application. However, it doesn't really allow you to just start browsing the map on the Apple Watch, right? So you can basically just set up a navigation on your iPhone, which is of course the one you are paired with and everything, right? And when you start at the navigation, you'll be able to see it on your wrist, right? But you won't be able to see like the actual map. What you can see are like the directions. So it will just tell you when to take the turn left and whatever, right? So it kind of works, but it's not like for browsing the maps. Technically, there are some alternatives, like you can go to your iPhone and look up something within Google Maps and share it by copying the link. The link then can be shared with yourself in like an iMessage conversation, so you can literally just text yourself the link. And then you go to the Messages app of the Apple Watch and click on that link. And technically, this will allow you to open it up within like the built-in web browser of your Apple Watch. And you can just start browsing the map, I guess. But as you can see, this is not ideal and there's no way this is actually useful. So if you just want to like walk around the map or just browse it like that, I recommend switching to the Apple Maps, which works a bit different, right? So in there, you can of course set up the navigation as well, but you can as well check out the map situation. You can move it around like that. You can see that I get to like see different places, zoom in and out, and even look something up on the map. So it kind of works a bit different. So it depends on what you need from it, but that's how you can use it. So hopefully I managed to explain it well in this video. Let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.